Hi, Ashley. I think you're pretty, dead on with what a lot of older TV shows and movies project women to be. I think we're getting a little bit better as new shows come out with, their gender roles and identities of what they should be and shouldn't be. An example of this is through two TV shows that I started watching, 911 and The Good Doctor, where women and men, uh, despite their background um, or anything else, they're in higher positions. They're a little bit outgoing. They're dressed differently. There's nothing specifically that makes them who they are, or there is. It's not all the same and stuff. I think Disney used to do this a lot in their movies and still do it in their movies, making women a specific identity. We see it through characters like Cinderella and Tinkerbell and Jasmine and stuff, where they're petite little waistlines and tall and skinny and specifically designed to be who the most beautiful woman is. But I think we're getting better with that as we move through technology and everything. Thanks again. Bye.